what's going on, guys? It's your boy SpArDa back with a brand new video for you guys. I know the world's going crazy right now, and you know, this whole the corona was the toilet paper, was the baby wipes, was the freaking disinfect soap, was the Lysol. Everybody's bugging out. Everybody's buying all the fucking food, buying this, buying that. Listen, we're gonna get through this. I'm off for 2 weeks, so now I got some time to focus on my business, focus on marketing. Markets look, even though market's down, good time to buy. But anyways, I don't want to get into that. So I'm here pretty much for 2 weeks off, paid, thank God. Everything's gonna work out. Things gonna get back to normal. I ain't really bugging out. It is what it is. You know, good thing I saved up, being smart. I don't buy dumb shit. But everything works out. Everything's gonna work out. Everything's gonna be all right. Just letting you guys know, everything's gonna be just fine. And you're probably looking at me while I got this thing so they can hide my double chin. That's why. Cause the little clubhouse in there. That's where I live. This little clubhouse right here. You gain weight real quick, and I ain't trying to do that. So I'm trying to stay active. You know, bouncing around, moving around. You know, hit the real juke real quick. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, out here with my drone real quick. You know, flying. Get busy, gets a couple of aerial shots. You know, I was want to say we're gonna be all right. Everything's gonna work out. Stay positive. You know, just be safe. We're gonna be all right. You know, good thing I still got my mama. She's good. She's the only thing I got. Everybody's freaking dead. All my family members are dead. She's the only one that's left. That's the one that's left alive. So I gotta make sure she keep going. Make sure everything's good. But I'm gonna fly my drone. I feel like flying my drone today, and it's a nice day. It's a beautiful day. Just want to make a quick little video. Maybe I'll do a little drone video flying all over my little area here, my little hut over here. Got this plenty of space back here. So I was gonna say again, be safe. Everything is gonna work out, and I'm gonna fly for a little bit, and I'll keep you guys posted for all the new stuff. Post some new photos, some new videos. Keep it a little busy. You know, it's a good time to market. Now I got this time that I can market myself more, because the idea is to be self-employed. The idea is to be self-employed, entrepreneur. Start your own joint, start your own thing, start your own, companies. Now everybody's being laid off. Don't get me wrong. I'm getting affected. Even my side business getting affected. No one wants to do photos, videos with me. You know, everybody's staying inside. Everybody's quarantine. But you know what? It is what it is. Keep it afloat. But this is the time to market. This is the time to hustle. This is the time just to do it. We could do it. All look good though? All right. So I'm going to do a little flying. I'm going to see you guys in a bit.